Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine and 刚刚摔到好痛
干嘛
撞
你啊
到头了啦！
去哪里啊？怎么会撞到？
我跟你讲，刚刚在厕所啊，有人在拖地嘛，没看到，然后就滑倒了，好糗 ！Oh my goodness。Anyways， 要小心一点，对不对？
对，
刚好跟我们这个月的主题有点像哎。Okay，this whole month we're teaching you the phrase "Be careful"， 小心。声音 okay, be careful because I just fell down in the bathroom because the floor was wet. I didn't see that. So let's teach you the scenario. You know, if someone's mopping the floor, you got to be careful when you walk through it. Okay, 我们就教一个这个状况句了啦哈。可能呢我在拖地，然后呢需要你来帮忙啊拖水， 然后过来的时候叫你小心一点好了。Okay?
好
All right, 你可以过来帮我提水桶吗？ Can you come over and help me carry this bucket?
做得。
做得。
來老捱。
來老捱。聽寬。
水桶毛。做得來老捱，聽寬水桶毛。
做得來老捱，聽寬水桶毛。
做得。
做得可以哈，来帮忙在 carry 哦，要提水桶，水桶就是水桶。A bucket. Can you come over and help me carry this bucket? 那你会发现地板怎么那么湿啊？
对啊。
Why is the floor so wet?
踢奶。用板按湿。Okay, 按湿就是湿湿的，那么湿。Okay, sip means wet. Okay, something that's damp or wet is sip. Why is the floor so wet? Well, it's because I'm mopping the floor, so be careful and don't slip. Okay, 我在拖地，要小心别滑倒哦。 捱啲頭踢奶。愛聲音。唔好挑到哦。
地板叫做踢奶，那现在要拖地板的话变
頭踢奶。
頭踢奶。
但是如果一个拖字的话叫頭。
頭，很多土啊在地上要拖，
所以要拖干净。
对，这样就记得了吗？ That means to mop. Okay, 頭。All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as the water bucket, 水桶 and then it's wet, 湿 sip, and then to mop the floor, 拖地頭踢奶 and to slip or 滑倒
挑到
要
挑那么远哦
好可怜的感觉哈。It's all about the phrase 小心 be careful 声音 all right, whatever you're doing be careful, all right, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.